So thank you very much for the question about going live on social media, but on a Zoom session I can't show you how to go live on social on Facebook. So what I've done is I've done a quick recording. So basically all you do is down at the more section here, you see that it says live on Facebook, live on Workplace by Facebook, or live on YouTube. In this case, because we are going to go live for the business TV show that we do, we're going to click live on Facebook. Then what happens is window opens up on my other monitor saying, okay, what is it that you're going to do? And we fill this in. So this is breakfast TV that we do, and today we have Rachel Moore from Rachel Moore Social Media. So I want to put a quick synopsis in there for the description, and then I choose share on my own timeline or my group or my page, whichever I'm going to do. I'm going to do it to a group which I'm a member of and owner of, which is 1 Hour Networking. And then when I'm ready, all I do is I click the go live button, and that's it. That's all you have to do. Cheers.